go to Amy in Atlanta. Amy.
Hi. I have two questions for you.
Yes.
So my first question is, I've been here since I was 13. I put in an asylum in 2015.
How old are you
Finally,
now?
my asylum.
How old are you now?
I'm 31.
And you just put in asylum when?
I put in asylum 2015.
How long were you in the United States when you put in the asylum in 2015?
I came in 2003.
Okay.
So I put in an asylum at 2015.
All right, so you're about 25 years old and about 12 years after your entry into America.
Yeah.
Okay. And what changed in your life or what changed in your country's condition that all of a sudden at 25 years old, 12 years after you're in America, that you filed an asylum?
The reason why, because I was brought by here by my uncle, but he told me that he put in papers for me. He did not. So after I finally understand that he didn't put it on for me, so I got up and I put in the try to see if I can have some kind of status here because I've been sitting here for so long with no kind of
sounds like you
document.
have no claim for asylum, other than you're sitting here waiting because you're out of status. So that's not a reason, A, to file for asylum unless you have a real claim. And number two, the law says you can't file for asylum more than 1 year, even if you did have a claim for asylum, unless something changed in your life or in the country's condition that all of a sudden this situation didn't happen within the first year of my entry, but years later something happened and now, things are different. So it sounds like to me that you have a somewhat frivolous application, or maybe I'm wrong, for asylum. Would that be correct or not correct?
I mean, I put in the asylum, but they telling me I seen the judge not long ago, but he's telling me my next appointment is going to be 2023.
Okay,
okay,
you're seeing a judge, you're already in removal. And my question to you again is, you haven't been able to express to me, even in the broadest terms, even in one sentence, what is your claim for asylum?
Okay, I claim it for circumcision for reasons because I have a daughter too.
Okay, fine. So you're from Africa, and you're claiming the female genital mutilation, FGM, and what changed in your life is that you have a daughter who is a U.S. citizen who is now reaching the age of perhaps that could happen to her, and if you were deported, you would take your daughter with you because she has nobody to live with here, and she is being threatened by your family or by the people in your village or town that's what would happen to her. That is a claim for asylum, absolutely. Your question now to me is what?
Is it possible for me to, if it's possible can my appointment be earlier than 2023?
Anything is possible. You could always make you want it because you just want to be done with this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you and everybody else. You would have to show real humanitarian reasons why you need your appointment moved up. It can't just be, I'm tired of waiting.
Oh, okay.
Because the judges are all backed up, okay?
Okay.
All right, but I hope you know what you're doing with this asylum case. I hope you have good representation because you weren't able to really express to me what was going on. All right, but hold on one second if you need help. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.